Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off bold text on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on display and text size. Then at the top, tap on bold text. Tap on the toggle button to turn on bold text, as you can see here. We can switch it off. And that's it. Once you turn on bold text, it will apply throughout the system. So you can see here on the home screen, in the settings menu, or in your web browser, text will be stronger and bold. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.